pretties, and welcome to my channel. I am Jazz Alicia. If you don't know who I am and you want to be a pretty and you like the vibes and stuff, go ahead and subscribe, girly or boy. You can be a pretty too. Today we're gonna do my barely there hair. We using synthetic hair. I used this to do a ponytail when I went to my sister's little birthday extravaganza. Shoot, when did I do that? Last 2 weeks ago or something. And yeah, so I used some of the hair for a ponytail, but I still have this left. So I'm gonna see if I can use these bundles to do a whole quick weave. It's cheap. I don't really like this hair. It feels cheap. It looks synthetic, but we're gonna see how real we can make it look. Okay. We're just gonna start by, this is the only cap that I have, so don't judge me. Do not judge me. I am sensitive. This is the cap, and we're gonna put it on our head, just like this, like so. Remember when people used to say that a lot? Like, oh my gosh, like put it on here just like so. Yeah, good times, good times. And then everybody started saying it, and then nobody wanted to say it anymore. Oh, but what's her name says it? What's her name? That lady with the afro? I remember hearing about her on the radio, and then I looked her up on the internet, and I was like, oh, she was talking about the TTLA sandwich from Whole Foods, and I tried it, and it was actually really good. I forgot her name though, but yeah, I was on her before everybody else was on her, believe it or not. I be knowing stuff like randomly, like random stuff. So we're just gonna put this all around. You guys want to hear some music? Well, you guys can't because, you know, copyright. What's going on with TikTok? Like TikTok, I swear, TikTok, honey, TikTok. They blocked. I'm always getting copyright though on here. Only on my reels. Oh yeah, that ponytail that I did. Go check that out. It's on my TikTok. It's on my TikTok. Go look at it, girl. It's nice, I think. So yeah, go look at it. Go see if you like it. You know, if you vibe with it and stuff like that. So okay, I think I'm running out. I thought it was pretty long. Dang, I thought I had enough. We'll just do the front.
Give it, this is real.
Where is my thing? Where is my thing? I found it right here. Here is my thing. Shout out to them. But my other speaker, the Sound Angel, that thing is loud. It bumps. Okay? It really does. Okay, you guys, as you can see, I'm sewing in the thread. And I'm sewing it on the cap, you know, to keep the cap in place. You see me doing that. Okay? It's just like in a circle. You know, I can't see the back of my head, so I'm just guesstimating. And I'm just going all the way around. Yes, my edges are thin. Don't you judge me. Come on, let's love. And then I'm just cutting it, tying it into a nice little knot, and that's it. And then I'm spraying my Gots to Be Glued spray to keep the cap on, doing little ear holes because I forgot. And then I'm just drying it with my blow dryer that I got from Target. I love this thing. It's so great. It's convenient. It's better than the regular one. Anyway, so okay, I left that clip for too long. But anyway, so I'm cutting the leftover cap off. I'm leaving some of my baby hairs out. And yeah, so it can look more natural, you know? And so I'm cutting it. Okay. And then I'm blow drying it some more so that, yeah, you know, it sticks. And then there's my foundation so it can match my skin. And yeah, we're just putting on the it's a closure, and then we're sewing it on. I could have sewed the closure a little bit closer, but I wanted to get the, you know, the thread on the braid, so that's why I didn't want to just sew it to the cap, you know, which whatever. So yeah, I'm going all the way around, and I'm just sewing it all the way around. Yeah, you get the gist. You get it.
You find your keys where you last left them. Why you asking if you didn't even check them? We stuck in old ways and I'm out of patience. Oh no, oh no. Sometimes it feels like I am suffocating, like I'm holding my hands around my neck. Oh, this place is a mess, and I swear I can't breathe no more. No.
All right, so I got it all sewed down, and now I'm going to show you guys. I'm using 18 inches of Synthetica, and I'm using the Diamond Bond protective shield to keep my hair protected. And so this technique that I'm using is different because I didn't have I don't know if I had enough hair, so I started from the top to make sure that I didn't run out of hair, so I don't, you know what I'm saying? So the top can have hair, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, that was just my logic. And so, yeah, I did it this way, but you will soon see that, you know, when you glue on the track, and sometimes when you flip it over, it comes a loose. So you might just see that in very soon. Just a second. There it is, right there. I was mad. I was like, dang, I gotta do it over. But, you know, happy accidents, like Bob Ross says. Vibes. Anyway, so, yeah, we're just continuing to do the thing and watch and enjoy. And maybe, you know, I might help you with something. Hopefully, this is what we do this for, and for funsies and vibes. So go ahead and watch, and don't forget to subscribe. Love you.
The way that I just stay around, this is a world we're in too deep, a place where we can't heal. This trauma bonding, damn, this is real. The thrill I get when you things up, drag me down. Why the hell am I around? I blame myself for this trauma bonding. This needs to stop.
All right, so as you can see, watch as I take this claw clip out. You're gonna find out why I call it Synthetica. Look, my hair, it don't move. See what I'm telling you? My hair, it don't move. Girl, the struggle was real, but don't worry, I got it to work out. And this hair is pretty good. You can comb it out, and it doesn't get all like crusty. Like, it can mat, but once you comb it out, it's like straight, bone straight, like Asian hair or something. Don't be mad. Okay. And yeah, now we're doing the closure, and we're just gluing it down with some got to be glued spray, you know, plucking the parts, you know, doing my baby hair. It's baby hair time. Woo! And you know, we're just doing our baby hairs. You know, we gotta do the baby hairs. A look is not complete without the baby hairs. You know what I say? Maybe I'll do a look without baby hairs and see how you guys like it. But anyways, so yeah, this is cute. Don't you like the look? This is all synthetic hair. Use 2 bundles of synthetic hair, honey. Yes. Y'all, look at me dancing around, doing my little thing. So here I'm cutting layers. Yes. And yeah, cutting them out. I sound like that chick from TikTok. Yes. Thank you. Da. You really be doing that. Anyways, all right, this is the look. Tell me how you guys feel about it. Flat ironing it, blah, blah, blah. Oh, yeah, and this is like, you can flat iron this hair. Here's the look. Okay, I know the part looks a little teeny bit synthetic, but that is kind of bothering me. But why is it like that? And it's looking real weird, but that's that. My head always looks kind of weird with, like, if I have like a quick weave or something with the middle part. It looks like it makes my egg head look more like an egg head. So yeah, but this is cute. Y'all like it? It's pretty thin because, you know, I didn't have all the bundles, but here is what it looks like in the back. How you gonna tell about that? But yeah, here it is. I'm not gonna keep this in for long because this is Synthetica, honey. Ooh, no, I do not like this. But yeah, it's good for now, you know, just to wear it for a little bit. But yeah, love it. Tell me how you guys feel about it in the comments. All right, okay, cool. All right, you guys. Well, this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I make a post. And don't forget, boo-boo, you are pretty. And don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Okay? Okay. Bye.